Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Kindly like this video, subscribe and share this video with others. Right now, this block mesh, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a guide, a tutorial on how you can be able to perform the new task that is available on this platform. It's a little bit technical, but you just have to follow the steps as we proceed on this. And if you are not currently on this project, the link is in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video. So do it to join this new project and then start accumulating your points. Okay, so let's proceed to the task section. All right, so the next thing we like to do on this platform is hit this particular little icon. You see that stuff that is there, that 2/ line there, just click on it. And then after clicking on that, you're going to be clicking on this packs. All right, this one. All right, so just click on that so you can perform the task over there. So after you click on that, then you're going to be clicking on this space that is here so you can be able to view the new site that just came online. All right, so now the previous video I did a video on how to perform these particular tags, and also including these Twitter tags, their new Twitter tags that are over here. So I'm going to be performing one or two to give you a reminder of how to perform this task. Okay, so let's proceed. So click on the Twitter. All right, and the major tags that I want to perform in this video in order to guide you is this interact. All right, this particular. So let's click on this. Let's finish with these Twitter tags before we can proceed on that. So click on the Twitter follow founder. Alright guys, so just click on authorize the app, and then you just give that some seconds. That is, you're authorizing your Twitter and your stuff together. All right, now see, it's saying error message. So all you need to do now is to, you see this particular name that is here, we have to copy the name and take it to our X and follow the name before this task can be performed. So this is how this task work on this particular site. You can see this. All right, so just click on copy. So I've copied that. So I'm going to my X account right now. All right, so I'm going to my X account to actually perform that task right now. So the video is going to be a little bit long, so I want you to stay put as we proceed on this. So we're going to click on the search button. Okay, long press that name on this search at the top over there. Okay, long press and then paste the name, then search for it. All right, I believe there's a clue of the name over here. All right, I believe this is it. Okay, that is it, the founder or something. So click on it and then click on follow. So you have to follow this particular stuff. So click on follow. So after you followed, then you have to return back to that site. Okay, when you return back to this site, then all you need to do is to click on go back. So click on go back, then we do the task again. You will see it will work perfectly well this time around. Okay, all right, so we have to go back to the packs. Okay, I've showed you how to go about that. Then click on the follow again. All right, so go ahead and click on authorize app and then wait for that to actually load up again to see the reaction this time that we have followed that particular page. And now you can see we have followed that page and it's reflecting success. So the rest Twitter tags, that is how you can go ahead and perform the tags. All right, you can see the Twitter tags, they are actually remaining 2. So we are not going to be doing all of that. So I've given you a clue on how to do that. So I'm not going to be doing all of that in this particular video. So let's proceed on this. Click on this interact. That is my main focus why I create this video. All right guys, so the first and foremost, all you need to do first is to sign in into this platform, your account. Look at sign in at the top there. All right, so let me zoom this in so you can see this is sign in. So click on this sign in, and then I believe there's a message this side. So let me zoom out before I click on the sign in. Okay, so I can get the message. So you can sign in with your Google account. So the same Google account that you use in creating this particular block mesh project. So just click on the Google so you can sign in through Google. All right, so make sure it's the same account. So click on it so you can log in into the platform. All right, click on continue. All right, guys, so we are in the platform right now. You can see that my account, my Google account, that you can see the picture over there. That's my picture. So that's a sign that you have signed in successfully. So let's proceed on this particular scene. The next thing you like to do on this platform is to click on follow. You can see follow over here. So just go ahead and follow them first. Okay, so you just wait for that. You can see following. So the next thing you do here is this Blocksmesh Twitter tags. All right, so you just click here to actually perform the tags. So click on it and then click on Twitter. So you just wait for some seconds. All right, click on authorize app. So we're authorizing this with the Interact stuff. All right, Interact Boost wants to access your X account to be sure if you are the one, right? So just give that some seconds. It's going to work perfectly and you're going to be able to earn your point. All right, you can see that. So after you are done with that, you have to come back and click on verify over here so you can verify your points. Okay, verify the tags. Now you have to just follow them. You should just be ensured that you're following them on X. You can see that's verified. Okay, that one is done and dusted. Connect your Blockmesh email on your Interact personal page. Okay, so we're going to be connecting our Blockmesh email on this particular page. Okay, so just click on that and then all you have to do is to click on next. All right, so after then click on visit link, then click on connect to link. All right, so just follow this process. They are quite easy, but just follow the process and then get used to it. It's going to be very easy for you. All right, so click on get started and then all right, so you can see there are tags we have to connect and perform here. You can see our Twitter tags. Our Twitter is connected. There are some tags over here that we have to perform. Okay, so just click on next so we can just move on to the next site where we can perform these tags properly. Okay, you see I don't seem human. All right, guys, so on this page currently, after doing that, you can see my humanity point is reflecting 0, and here they say connect at least 6 accounts to be eligible. Okay, at least 6 accounts. There are several accounts you have to connect, and I'll be guiding you on what to do at this particular site. So just click on this plus sign that is over here. All right, so click on this plus sign. All right, now after you click on the plus sign, you can see these are tasks that we have to do, and these tasks, I think they are about 12. So but then we have to perform about 6. All right, minimum of 6, at least 6. You just have to do 6. If you can't do, or just do 6, it's required. 6 is required, and it seems is mandatory. So we are going to be connecting our email. You can see this. We are going to be connecting the same email that we use on our Blockmesh or to this particular platform. So click on connect. Now click on below button to connect. All right, so let's click on connect again, and then we are going to be entering our email here, the same email we used, and then after entering the email we are going to be click on send OTP. So they're going to be sending an OTP to my email account. So I'll get that OTP and I'll paste the OTP in this particular space that is over here, and I will go ahead and verify it. Alright guys, so you can see the email is now connected. Okay, so let's proceed on this. We have connected our email, we have connected our Twitter, so we have to connect our Discord. Alright, we need to connect Discord, and let's proceed on this by connecting our Discord. Okay, I think the Discord is actually connected. All right, so we are going to be connecting right now. We're going to be connecting our Ton. Okay, so click on Ton, click on connect, and then click on connect over here, right? All right, so we're going to be choosing our Ton Keeper. And this point, all right, so I don't think I need extension for this, but there are some that have the option of extension as Ton. Okay, there are people that need Ton as extension. Okay, click on sign. So we have to click on sign, and then I have to sign this connect, authorize that with my fingerprint, my password. All right, so if it's not working directly, just like how my worked, so ensure you just do the connection. Just ensure you download extension. All right, just download Ton extension and go ahead and connect it. You can see this connection is actually very easy. All right, so let's return back to the platform. All right guys, so right now we are going to be connecting our Google. All right, so they are demanding our Google over here, so click on connect over there, and then click on connect over here where they say you should connect, and then click on connect again. So you need to connect a minimum of about 3, all right, a minimum of 6 rather. I think there's a little delay. All right guys, so after you are done with connecting at about 6 of these particular stuffs, they are quite easy. All right, if you want to connect Ton, just like I showed you, just like the way you connected Ton, that's how you're going to be connecting your Ethereum. Ton, if it's not working, make sure you just download Ton extension. All right, and also make sure you download MetaMask extension by the time when you're using, when you want to connect your Ethereum. All right, so that's just how it is. So go ahead and create an account on this GitHub and then connect it. All right, so I'm going to be breaking down briefly what you need to do. All right, you can see there's minting over here, and according to what they said on their page is that this minting is not mandatory. Okay, it's not a required mandatory tax for you to be qualified. All you need to do is to get this humanity point. I believe that's one thing that is special about this. All right, you just have to get this humanity point increase. So how do you get this point? All right, how do you increase on that point? Because for you to be able to mint, you need to have 30 of this humanity point. All right, so let's scroll down a little bit, and then I'm going to be showing you. You see this word proof of uniqueness. So in this proof of uniqueness, this is where you can see Binance account bound token. All right, so you have to bound your Binance account, and binding your Binance account, you'll be needing at least $1. So you'll be earning this point, 30 of this point. You'll be needing $1 in your Binance, so you can be able to bind this successfully. All right, so I believe on this particular platform, this particular tax is the easiest in this tax section that is over here for you to be able to earn. That's the most easiest for now. Okay, now you can see this Binance KYC ZK Pass. All right, this Binance KYC ZK Pass. Also, I'm going to be guiding you on how to go about it. Okay, so let's proceed on this quickly so we can end this point and increase our balance. All right, guys, so this Binance KYC ZK Pass is actually free, and all you need to do next is to download this ZK Pass extension and connect your wallet that you connected on this platform. All right, the wallet that you connected, either MetaMask or whichever one you decide to use, so you can just go ahead and connect it. All right. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing here is to download the ZK Pass extension. All right, so just click at the top over there. Okay, let's click at the top there. So after clicking here, you're going to be typing a ZK Pass extension. Just write ZKP, then you're going to be seeing this. So click on this ZK Pass extension. All right, so we can get the extension installed and connect to it. Okay. All right, so the next thing we like to do on this platform is to choose this first option here. Just tap your code, and then you can see it will open up, and then you're going to be seeing add to Chrome over there. So click on the add to Chrome, click on OK. So by the time when it's added to the Chrome, we are going to be going into it properly. All right, you are seeing remove from Chrome. Click on this icon that is at the top, and then you can see this is ZK Pass extension. So click on it and then click on enter the word of crypto. So on this particular site, there are several tasks that you can perform on this particular site. All right, so at this space now, you need to actually see this properly. So all we need to do is to check and change our browser to desktop site. All right, so we are going to be activating the desktop site over here by highlighting on this, and then you can see it has changed, so we can be able to connect our wallet. All right, so just screw up. Okay, sorry, still loading properly. Okay, at the top over there, you can see connect wallet there. All right, you can see connect wallet there. So let's zoom that in so we can connect our wallet first of all. All right, it's actually complicating. All you need to do is just to take out time to actually go through this. Okay, so now we are going to be choosing a particular wallet that we're going to be making use of that will be easier to connect. So we are going to be choosing this, and anytime we are connecting, we are going to be using our MetaMask, depending on the one you want to use. All right, depending on the wallet that you want to use. So I am going to be using my MetaMask to actually connect this. So I'm choosing MetaMask because I connected MetaMask on the quest section where they ask for at least a minimum of 6. Okay, so click on connect. All right, guys, so and connecting this, you need to choose this particular network, ZK sync era. All right, so just choose that particular network to connect it. Okay, so just click on it so you can authorize that with that particular network. So that's the network we're going to be using to connect this. All right, click on approve. All right, I believe the wallet is now connected. All right, it's now connected. Let me zoom that in so we can take a good look at it. The desktop site is actually okay. You can see it's connected on this particular network, so don't fail to connect it on that network. So now let's return back to the instruct and tab. So by clicking at this icon there, that stuff where you have 33, that box there, so click on it. So let's return back and perform that task. Now we have our ZK Pass extension installed, so we are returning back to continue performing this task. All right, so let's return back to this particular page where we can perform the task. All right, guys, so all you need to do after returning back to this platform, so just scroll on this space, like just scroll to this side, so you can just be able to go to where that task is, that Binance ZK Pass is. All right, so before we connect this to our Binance, we need to, because of our Binance, we need to turn on our VPN and set our VPN to UK. So just go ahead and turn on your VPN and set your VPN to UK standard. All right, guys, so after turning on your VPN, so go ahead and click on connect. So let's proceed on this particular task. All right, now click on connect again, and then we are going to be choosing our EVM wallet, which is our MetaMask wallet. So we're going to be highlighting on this particular wallet. So whichever one you use, either your Solana or whichever one you use in connecting your KM that you connected on your ZK Pass, all right, where you created the extension. So I'm highlighting on that and I'm clicking on confirm. Okay, so let's see how this works. So it's going to be taking us straight to a page where it will lead us straight to Binance. Okay, all right, so I think a message is supposed to pop up, so it's not popping up. So let's go to our ZK Pass. They're asking us to authorize a message. Okay, so just click on that icon there and click on the ZK Pass. Let's see if there's a message over there for us to authorize. So let's wait for some time. All right, guys, so it has redirected us to a site where we can log in our Binance account. All right, so it's quite easy, but we first of all, before we click on this start, we haven't logged in into our Binance, so I have to drag this stuff, this particular page downward. All right, so I'm going to be dragging it downward so I can log in my Binance account, either my email, accept all cookies, either my email or my Google, whichever one you used in your Binance account. So just log in your Binance account for now. All right, guys, so currently I'm in my Binance. I've logged into my Binance, but this particular tag is not working, so we're going to be doing it again. So let's return back to that site where we can block, cancel. We can do it again. All right, so let's do it again. So let's proceed on the interact by connecting to our ZK Pass. Again, the same thing, the same task we did. Let's do it again because we have to log in our Binance account. So let's try to do it again and see. All right, so go ahead and click on connect. So let's proceed on this again. Click on connect and then click on connect. So it's going to redirect us straight to that site again, just like how you are seeing it now. All right, guys, so this option is now available and my account is in. So all we need to do is to click on start, but there are some persons for quite some time now this particular task is not actually working. All right, so let's try it this time. Maybe later, much later, this task is going to work. Okay, so let's just give it a try and see if it's going to work this time. So click on start, and then you can see when you successfully log in, please check the stats. All right, you can see it's not actually working for now. This particular task is not actually working. All right, so but I believe maybe much later the task is going to work. So you just keep trying. This is how to perform this particular task to earn the 100. Okay, so like I said, let's proceed to the other task. Why this one is actually still pending. Okay, so let's proceed to the other task as we proceed. All right, guys, so this particular tax you'll be needing at least minimum of $1. All right, this first tax, Binance account bound token. All right, you'll be needing a minimum of just $1 of any token in your Binance. So all you need to do, make sure your VPN is on, and then we have logged in our Binance. So all you need to do is to just click on this particular stuff and then check it out and see if it's going to work, and it's going to work perfectly. It's going to refresh. After you're done, just click on this refresh that is over here so you can be able to proceed on that task, and you'll be earning this humanity point. Is going to be 33. My point now is going to be 33 there. So there are other tasks that are going to the points are going to add. So I've performed the task, the points are going to add. So this is the simplest and easiest way to go about this. So there are other tasks here which you can just have your time perform. So but this video is just to give you a clue of what you need to do and how to go about it majorly, and the things you need to do to just be qualified. But you can still perform other tasks to increase your point. If you find this video helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe, and share the video with others. See you guys in my next video.